Turkey has just unveiled its latest military technologies, showing rapid advances that few expected. In this video, we explore their groundbreaking systems alongside cutting-edge innovations from the US and Europe, next-gen armored vehicles, advanced laser weapons, powerful drone defense systems, and more. Stay with us to see how today's battlefield is evolving faster than ever. The Patriot Tremos mortar platform addresses the challenges of current and future warfare. It merges compactness with a notable firing speed. Patriot Tremos mounts easily onto 4x4, 6x6, and 8x8 vehicles, aided by its cutting-edge hydropneumatic recoil mechanism. It is compatible with both 81 and 120mm North Atlantic Treaty Organization munitions and can start firing within 60 seconds of deployment. Its firing rate reaches 15 rounds per minute with a 7-kilometer range. Moreover, Patriot Tremos integrates into battlefield management networks, significantly boosting hit-and-run maneuver strategies. The system can also relocate quickly after firing, reducing vulnerability to counterattacks. Automatic targeting systems minimize crew workload, allowing smaller teams to operate efficiently. Thanks to its modular design, future upgrades can be implemented without significant modifications. If the RLWP combat module could be summed up with one word, it would be adaptable. Thanks to its modular setup, armed forces can tailor the equipment to mission-specific needs. The RLWP can accommodate 7.62mm machine guns, 30mm autocannons, and a variety of missile launchers, ranging from Javelin to Hellfire. Non-lethal options like jamming systems and launchers for smoke, illumination, or stun grenades are also supported. Plus, RLWP is platform agnostic, allowing installation on robotic vehicles too. The United States military already fields these units, and by September, the British forces began using RLWP systems as well. The station is built with high survivability in mind, featuring armored protection for sensitive components. It supports remote operation, allowing soldiers to remain safely under cover. Developers are working on integrating artificial intelligence-assisted targeting to improve first-hit probability. Drone Gun Mark IV units resemble something straight out of a science fiction film, yet they are real and deployed in the vital domain of drone combat. What distinguishes the Drone Gun Mark IV is its portable build. It can be handled with one hand, weighing only 3.2 kilograms including the battery. This makes it incredibly practical for soldiers in high-mobility missions, where speed and agility are critical. Despite being lightweight, it delivers a strong impact, effectively neutralizing a wide variety of drone threats. The Drone Gun Mark IV works within the industrial, scientific, and medical and global navigation satellite system frequency bands, and can neutralize drones from as far as 1 kilometer. It is also efficient against drone swarms, capable of jamming control links and signal transmission from several drones simultaneously. This gives units on the ground a much-needed edge when facing coordinated drone attacks. Additionally, the Drone Gun Mark IV can be activated and ready in just 3 seconds, allowing operators to react instantly to sudden threats without losing valuable time. Leonardo and Blue Halo are steadily enhancing and demonstrating their drone countermeasure platform. They initially used a Stryker armored personnel carrier, upgrading it with a variety of armaments. Along with the standard 30mm autocannon, it now carries 70mm laser-directed missiles. Yet, the highlight for drone defense is the Locust laser unit, delivering 26 kilowatts of power. Thanks to this improvement, the armored personnel carrier can engage drones at altitudes reaching 5.5 kilometers, even at velocities near 60 kilometers per hour. Furthermore, it excels in electronic warfare due to the integration of Titan counter-unmanned aerial system and Titan surveillance systems. Operators can quickly switch between weapon modes depending on the threat type. The entire system is controlled via an advanced battlefield interface designed for ease of use. Future plans include integrating artificial intelligence for faster target recognition and engagement. The Ghost Robotics Vision, navigating swamps, ascending steep hills, climbing stairs, and even crossing icy surfaces. It keeps operating even when caked in mud and drenched in water. Simply put, this robotic dog is remarkable. It pairs a smart balancing system with a strong energy reserve. A single battery charge enables 3 hours of movement, 21 hours in standby, or travel up to 10 kilometers. Despite its electric nature, it withstands 30 minutes submerged under 1 meter of water and temperatures down to minus 40 degrees Celsius. Moreover, all vital parts, from legs to processors, can be swapped within minutes. The robot's open software architecture allows easy customization for specific missions. Vision 60 can be equipped with reconnaissance sensors, communication repeaters, or even small cargo modules. Military trials have confirmed its utility for both urban and wilderness operations. Recently, Sungur's creators achieved notable acclaim when Turkey's military adopted the system. What makes it appealing? Most likely, its ability to serve as a substitute for the American Stinger platform. Both systems are engineered to counter low-altitude threats within 8 kilometers. Analysts praise the Sungur's flexibility for shoulder firing and its versatility across aerial, ground, and naval domains. Its missiles also boast an outstanding speed of 825 meters per second. Its infrared homing head can engage targets even under heavy jamming conditions. Moreover, the system can be operated manually or automatically depending on mission needs. Future developments may include integration with networked air defense grids for enhanced situational awareness. Experts at Patria in Finland have successfully installed a mortar system within a 6-meter container, effectively combining its 120mm firepower with mobility and the ability to deceive the enemy. Moreover, these containers are versatile enough for naval forces, supporting firing from ships traveling at speeds up to 37 kilometers per hour. This system, named Nemo, is well suited for both indirect and direct fire scenarios. Among its key tactical and technical features are its rate of fire and range. Nemo users can fire up to 10 shots per minute, allowing them to neutralize targets within a radius of 10 kilometers. Each container can be mounted on a truck, ship, or rail car, adding logistical flexibility. Remote control operation enables the crew to stay at a safe distance during combat. The recoil system is designed to allow firing from soft platforms like riverboats or landing craft. Described with terms like ultra-modern, small, and lightweight, the Bino November Victor Whiskey Night Vision goggles come fully packed with capabilities. They provide a 47-degree field of view, surpassing many rivals by up to 7 degrees. Durability is ensured. They survive 1-hour immersions at depths of 20 meters. Additionally, the Bino November Victor Whiskey allows adjustments from +2 to -6 diopters, operates on a single AA cell, and weighs around 500 grams. Sounds great, but the price? Prepare yourself. These goggles retail for $4,300. The device uses advanced auto-gating technology to improve image clarity under sudden bright light conditions. It also supports mounting on helmets for hands-free operation. Users appreciate the lightweight design for extended missions without causing fatigue. Back in the early 2000s, Turkey's army introduced the GZPT armored personnel carriers. These amphibious units proved reliable, but are now set for modernization. Specifically, 52 vehicles are scheduled for upgrades. Planned improvements include enhancements to suspension, drivetrain, and motor systems, alongside new generation electronics and air conditioning installations. A twin-barrel unmanned turret, adaptable for 7.62, 12.7, and 40mm calibers, will also be added. The modernized version will carry the designation GZPT Tango 1, preserving amphibious traits and reaching speeds of 6.3 kilometers per hour afloat. Upgraded armor kits will increase survivability against modern threats. Digital communication systems will allow better coordination on the battlefield. The overhaul is expected to extend the service life of these vehicles by at least another 20 years. Saab has expanded its line of tactical electronic warfare devices by unveiling the Sirius Compact Lima 20 Charlie. This system focuses on detecting and categorizing communication signals. It enables precise identification of drone command points or hostile communication hubs, meeting North Atlantic Treaty Organization criteria in both design and function. Sirius Compact Lima 20 Charlie monitors frequencies from 20 MHz to 3 GHz, optionally stretching up to 6 GHz. Though not extremely small, it weighs under 25 kilograms without batteries, making it feasible for vehicle mounting or man-portable missions. The sensor also features advanced filtering to reduce false positives in complex electronic environments. It's ruggedized to endure harsh weather and operational shocks. Saab plans to integrate real-time data sharing with battlefield command systems in future iterations. Key attributes of the Rokus robot include a maximum speed of 20 kilometers per hour, a 10-hour operating window per full tank, and a mechanical arm stretching 4 meters, an impressive suite for a bomb disposal machine. It can neutralize both mines and improvised explosive devices and perform fine motor tasks like loosening screws or cutting wires. Based on a Thales tracked chassis, Rokus can fulfill other missions too. After clearing a path, it can morph into a cargo mule and revert when needed. It's an open architecture platform, fully customizable to operational requirements. The robot is designed for quick deployment, even in high-risk areas. Its sensors allow it to operate semi-autonomously in environments where human control is difficult. Planned enhancements include artificial intelligence navigation and object recognition upgrades. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment with your thoughts on these military technologies. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting tech updates. See you soon.